Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the pencil tool on Affinity Designer. This is one of the most versatile drawing tools in the program, perfect for creating freehand sketches, organic shapes, or detailed illustrations with precision and control. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new file to start working on. With your workspace ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find all your main drawing tools. Click on the pencil tool to activate it. This tool allows you to draw freehand strokes directly onto your canvas with complete creative freedom. Before you start drawing, you'll want to customize the appearance of your pencil strokes. Navigate to the upper left panel where you'll see the color picker. Click on it to open the color selection menu, then choose your preferred color for the pencil stroke. This lets you work with any color that fits your design vision right from the start. Right beside the color picker, you'll notice the width stroke option. Click on it to reveal a slider that controls the thickness of your pencil lines. Adjust this slider based on how thick or thin you want your strokes to be. This flexibility is especially useful when you need varying line weights in your artwork. Now you're ready to start drawing on your canvas. Simply click and drag your cursor to create freehand lines and shapes. The pencil tool responds naturally to your movements, giving you an intuitive drawing experience. As you draw, you might notice that your lines could use some smoothing, especially if you're working with a mouse or trackpad. To refine your strokes, navigate to Curve Smoothing Fitness in the top toolbar. This feature helps eliminate jittery or shaky lines by smoothing them out automatically. Adjust the slider based on your preferences. Higher values create smoother, more fluid curves, while lower values keep your strokes closer to your actual hand movements. For even more control over your drawing, navigate to Stabilizer in the top toolbar. You'll see a checkbox beside it. Go ahead and check that box to enable the Stabilizer feature. This tool works wonders for creating clean, steady lines by reducing hand tremors and inconsistencies as you draw. With the Stabilizer enabled, start drawing a curve on your canvas. You'll immediately notice how much smoother and more controlled your lines appear compared to drawing without it. This combination of curve smoothing and stabilization gives you professional quality results even when drawing freehand. And that's how you use the pencil tool in Affinity Designer to create beautiful, smooth freehand drawings with full control over color, width, and line quality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.